This is a video to show you how to replace the PCV valve on this is a Odyssey 2013 EX-L. This is a 4th generation Odyssey, and the 4th generation goes from 2011 to 2017. So the PCV valve is a little bit hidden. It's underneath this bracket here. I'm gonna try to show you sliding my phone here. Let's see. There it is. That bolt. Do you see there? That's a 10 millimeters bolt that you have to remove and remove the valve, pulling it backwards. You twist it a little bit so it makes it easier. Pull it backwards. It has a bracket, metal bracket, so you have to save that and put it back. So it takes 10 minutes. Let's see, from this angle you can see it even better. Sorry, my finger was there. Okay, so let's get into it. And let me give you another very good angle from here with my phone. There it is, in the center of the screen, and that's the bolt, 10 millimeters bolt. You can see the whole plastic piece that you have to replace. Let's get into it now. So I put a ratchet extension like this coming from underneath, and it's making the work pretty easy. So I loosen it up a little bit, and I am able now to remove the bolt. Let's see, here it comes. Here we are. Then wiggle this thing a little bit like this, so it loosens it up inside. Yep, that should be enough. And then you pull it backwards. You can use a screwdriver here to wiggle it a bit. That helps you pulling it out or leaving that gap. Be careful with that piece of metal. You're gonna have to reuse it on the new valve. You can also help yourself by wiggling from underneath here, this section here, and the valve will come out like that. Let's grab it from here. Remember not to lose that piece of metal. And here it is. And that's a piece of metal you don't want to lose. So let's put a new one. New PCV valves should rattle. So I'll rattle this one close to a microphone. You should hear it now. Perfect. So I have it presented over there, and I'm pushing it in to ensure that I don't drop that piece of metal. And that is pretty much in. Now I'm gonna work my way with bolt. I recommend to do this kind of movement from while supporting it with this hand from the bottom and pushing inside with this hand on the bottom, and also this one using it to wiggly. You push until you close that gap by wiggling it like this. That helps you to push it all the way inside, and then you align it here. You can feel it with your finger. You align it, and then you put back the bolt. Let's see. You come with the bolt right from there. There it goes inside. It's tricky. And if you ever drop a bolt like this on your car, don't get desperate. I know you will freak out at the beginning, but sorry, I'm moving the camera. What you can do is grab a glove and then get a magnet, a neodymium magnet, put it inside of one of the fingers on the glove, and go around your engine with your glove, and then you will find it. It will stick to your finger because you have a magnet, and that's how you find things. You don't need to have to be seeing it. You just go around with your hand and finding where it is, and that's how you're gonna get it stick to your finger. All right, so now I'm gonna torque it. I think it's very low torque, like 9 or 10 pounds. And call it a day. Let's do it here. From here. There we go. That's it. Don't go crazy. That's a plastic part. And that's a job done. Thank you. If you like it, please subscribe, share it, and comment. If you need any help, I'll respond as soon as I can.